Next up, welcome to Vondel for Phalanx. In this, we need to activate a UAV tower in Vondel, then pick up an enemy radio in Vondel, and kill 3 radio-marked enemies in Vondel. This is a super simple mission. Essentially, we need to activate a UAV tower, wherever it may be, then get as many AI kills as possible, and eventually one of them will drop a UAV radio or a radio. When we use this radio, it'll mark nearby enemies, and we need to quickly kill them before the temporary mark runs out of time. It's very easy. Right, so first of all, activating a UAV tower, you can find anyone marked simply on the map, run towards it, and use it. It's super simple, and of course, the AI could be anywhere from non-existent to quite strong, depending on where you are on the map. So running up to it and hitting F to activate it will be locked into this for a few seconds. Just keep in mind that you can and probably will be attacked by enemies while you're using this if you've aggroed any in the area. Now that this is done, all that we need to do is pick up an enemy radio in Vondel and kill 3 enemies with it. Now, usually these will be dropped by the commander type of people in groups of enemies. There's no real way of knowing who will drop these and who won't drop them. You just need to keep your eye open for a little bottle type shape from an enemy when they die and sprint to them and pick it up, even if it's in the middle of combat. Simply because if you pick up the radio and there's no enemies around, well, unfortunately there's no use to picking up the radio, as we need to get 3 kills while it's active. So keeping your eyes open for anything remotely radio shaped, and here you can see a UAV radio. It's been dropped by an enemy AI. All we need to do is pick it up, activate it, and get a few AI kills within the area before the time runs out. There are 3 kills, though I don't think that they were marked. Here's another 2, and there we go, the mission is now done. It's a very short range, so just keep in mind you're not going to be using it as a normal UAV, but as long as you get 3 kills in the amount of time that it runs, then you're pretty much set. You don't need to do this all in one go at least, so if you fail to get 3 kills after picking up a radio, then don't worry, just pick up another and continue from where you left off. It doesn't need to be all done in one go. Anyways, that's about it for this quick guide, so thank you all for watching. That has been Welcome to Vondel. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.